Navigating the waters with seaplanes and hovercraft requires a solid understanding of the rules of the road, or ROR, particularly when it comes to lights, shapes, and navigation. Let's dive right into it. First, let's clarify what we mean by seaplanes and hovercraft. Seaplanes are aircraft designed for takeoff and landing on water, while hovercraft are versatile vehicles that can glide over water and land. Both types of vessels have unique operational characteristics that affect how they interact with other watercraft. Now, according to the COLREGs, or the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, seaplanes and hovercraft are classified differently than traditional vessels. This classification impacts their navigation rules, especially concerning lights and shapes. For seaplanes, when they're on the water, they must display specific lights to indicate their status. A seaplane at anchor should show an all-round white light, while in motion, it should exhibit navigation lights similar to those of a power-driven vessel. This means a red light on the port side, a green light on the starboard side, and a white stern light. It's crucial for other vessels to recognize these signals to avoid collisions. Hovercraft, on the other hand, have their own set of requirements. When operating in a maritime environment, hovercraft must display a similar light configuration as a power-driven vessel. However, they also need to be mindful of their unique operational capabilities. Since hovercraft can operate in shallow waters and over land, they must be vigilant about their surroundings and the vessels they share the water with. Now, let's talk about shapes. The regs specify that vessels must display certain shapes during the day to indicate their status. Seaplanes at anchor should show a ball shape, while those in motion don't need to display any day shapes. Hovercraft, when at anchor, should display a ball shape as well. However, when they're underway, they are not required to show any day shapes, but they must remain aware of their surroundings. Communication is another vital aspect of navigation for both seaplanes and hovercraft. Using VHF radios is essential for maintaining contact with other vessels and reporting your position. This is especially important in busy waterways where visibility may be limited. Always be clear and concise in your communications, providing your vessel type, position, and intentions. When it comes to navigation practices, both seaplanes and hovercraft should adhere to established routes and be aware of local regulations. Understanding the traffic patterns in your area can help you anticipate the movements of other vessels and avoid potential hazards. Always keep a lookout for other craft and be prepared to take evasive action if necessary. In summary, understanding the rules surrounding seaplanes and hovercraft is crucial for safe navigation. By adhering to the COLREGs regarding lights, shapes, and communication, you can significantly reduce the risk of collisions and ensure a smoother experience on the water. Always stay informed, be vigilant, and prioritize safety in all your maritime activities.